It is quite astonishing how the laptop market is undergoing significant improvements for the last couple of years. Powerful processors and GPUs are getting their mobile variants, displays are mesmerizing than ever before, fast charging, long-lasting battery backup, you name it. These technologies are revolutionizing modern laptops and they are getting more and more powerful. In the midst of constant laptop releases, how will you choose the one that suits you the best? The very first thing you need to consider before purchasing a laptop is how much you are willing to spend on it. Buying the latest laptop with top-of-the-line specs is not always the best option if you can get the job done with a cheaper model. Laptops are constantly being released on the market, so there's no such thing as a future-proof one. We suggest always going for the last year's model as you will be able to enjoy high discounts on them. Laptops usually come with 3 operating systems: Windows on most, Chrome OS on Chromebook, and Mac OS on Apple exclusives. While Windows is the most flexible operating system, Mac OS is highly optimized and Chrome OS is comparably simple and secure. Size does matter, and when we say this, we are referring to the form factor of a laptop. Current laptop size ranges between 13 to 17 inches. A bigger screen is encouraged if you often perform screen-demanding tasks. Otherwise, going for a 13, 14, or 15-inch laptop will be just about right. While 2-in-1s will give you a tablet-like experience, having a super lightweight laptop like the LG Gram is quite easier to carry. An additional screen is always a plus for multitasking, but they often cost a little extra. Or you can just settle for a clamshell laptop if you appreciate simplicity. The screen also has a significant role to play, and you should consider the panel quality and resolution. While most laptops are equipped with an IPS panel, high-end panels like the Retina display on MacBook Pro offer greater color performance and peak brightness. This comes in handy while performing color-sensitive tasks. Since 1080p is the common screen on most laptops, that is all you'll be needing. High-end laptops, however, often have up to 4K screens and images appear sharper and more detailed thanks to 4 times as many pixels. This makes them ideal for gaming at a high resolution and producing high-quality content. The only trade-off of having a high-resolution screen is that they drain battery life much faster. A laptop can have the biggest screen and lightest chassis. If the specs are not up to the mark, then it probably won't do much good for you. You should get a laptop with at least an i5 processor, Ryzen 5 if you prefer AMD, 8 gigs of RAM, and 512GB of SSD storage sounds just about right for optimal speed. 1080p screen is a must, and if you are into gaming, dedicated graphics will always serve you well. Naturally, the more powerful specs a laptop has, the greater battery it demands. While companies claim huge battery backup on certain devices, you should take these claims with a tiny grain of salt. It all comes down to how intensively you use your laptop. When a certain brand claims a laptop to have, let's say, 12 hours of backup, you can expect about 7 hours from it. With that being said, battery backup is getting reliable with recent devices. Take the MacBook Pro and MacBook Air for example. The M1 chip is way faster compared to Intel chips, but surprisingly, it ensures almost double the amount of battery life. When it comes to connectivity, the only thing that matters is whether the device has a USB-C port. More awesome if it has Thunderbolt 3 or the latest Thunderbolt 4 variants. These ports offer super fast connectivity, data transfer speed, and power delivery compared to any other ports. Simply put, the bigger a laptop, the more ports it is likely to have. And if you can care less about having loads of ports, a thin and lightweight laptop is the one you should go for. And that concludes the factors that you should look out for while choosing the right laptop. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and comment below to let us know your thoughts. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.